Alright, we've got new Samsung stuff. Their Galaxy Z Flip4, a $1,000 flagship phone that folds in half, and their Buds2 Pro, supposedly setting new standards for sound. So, let's start with the Flip 4. This is quite a nice phone in quite a nice box, but depressingly, you get no charger. Just the phone, a cable, and some manuals. But the phone is really nice. While it looks very similar to the Flip 3, this Z Flip 4 is one of Samsung's best designed phones in my opinion. This two-tone look is not just beautiful, it's striking. And the new blue color Samsung's offering this year is just top tier. And compared to the Z Flip 3, the 4 has two major design benefits over the 3. These upgrades make it a noticeably better experience. So let's start with the first one, the matte finish. This matte finish on the back replaces the glossy one of the Z Flip 3, making it smoother and more grippable. I really do not like glossy finish phones, so I'm really glad this matte finish is on the Flip 4. It really does feel nice in the hand. And second, the frame has been upgraded with an armor aluminum frame, making it much stronger and more durable, and it's a bit flatter, so it's nicer to hold in the hand. And another improvement, this one's much needed, is battery life. The last Z Flip 3 had a 3300 mAh battery, and you could tell it was really weak. But now it's been improved thanks to a larger physical cell and a much more power efficient chip. And the chip itself, in addition to more efficiency, is a lot more powerful. This Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip is quite similar to this year's already powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, but in terms of power efficiency, performance, and thermals, it's more of an upgrade over the processor from earlier this year than the processor from earlier this year was an upgrade to the last generation. This ensures performance for years to come. Now, while you may be sitting here thinking, well, these are just small improvements, Samsung's just being lazy, you gotta understand where Samsung is coming from. This company has taken on the successful formula of the Flip 3 and built on it. The Flip 3 was a very successful device, and it was a good one too. It sold over 10 million units, making it the best-selling foldable phone yet because it brought a tangibly better experience thanks to the flipping features, and it was cheaper than past models. Samsung has come a long way with their Z Flips, taking them from overpriced, fragile, and technologically behind to great and durable devices at honestly quite good prices. This Z Flip 4 costs the same $1,000 as the normal Galaxy S22 Plus, and its flipping features outweigh the small compromises. Also, that will never get old. Now, this is not a review. I have yet to use this phone for an extended period of time, but in a couple of weeks I will put out a review video, so be sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Now, just before the buds, this is Samsung's silicone case, and I got it free with my pre-order of the phone. It's pretty high quality for the $40 it costs, and it's got a ring on it, so you can easily hold your phone when it's shut. I do like it, but it does add a lot of extra bulk to your phone, and it's also uneven because they have to cut out an area for the power button that doubles as the fingerprint scanner. Now, onto the Buds2 Pro. These come packaged very similarly to other Buds, but inside we get the buds in their case. No replacement tips though. Cool, but even cooler are the new sound features. These buds are $230, definitely on the premium side, and they give you the features you expect for that price. Noise cancellation, large drivers, adaptive sound, all of that. The noise control isn't as good as AirPods Pro. There's a lot of white noise in the background when you have the ambient sound mode on, but it's still pretty decent versus cheaper buds. They're also pretty comfortable, even more so than the AirPods Pro I've been daily driving for the past year or so. But there are two big things that make these Buds2 Pro stand out over other buds. First up, hi-fi 24-bit audio. Standard earbuds output sound at 16-bit, but this higher resolution supposedly gives you 256 times more audio information for much fuller and richer sound, although this is definitely something I have to test. And then the second big thing here is the new microphone with personalized beamforming. So when you're on a call or inputting sound in some other way, the microphones focus much more on your voice versus what's going on in the background. This allows, for example, people on a call with you to focus more on your voice and less about that child screaming in the background. These Buds2 Pros look really good, so once again, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my coverage of all of Samsung's all-new stuff. I'm really excited to see how these two new products perform and compare to others, and I'm really excited to see what the benefits of a flipping device are. This being one of them. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know down below by smashing that like button, and with that, I'm Max, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.